When I first found him on my doorstep, I immediately brought him inside. Who wouldn't, right? I made a post online and a notes count asking everyone in my town if some have taken their baby and left it here. No one responded. After a week or so, I decided it'd be best to bring him to the local orphanage. I didn't think I was fit for being a father, especially with the reputation I had. But the night before, something changed. The way he looked at me, with so much love in his eyes. No one has ever looked at me like that, and it all hit me like a brick. That's my son. That's my son.